You can look at all the other competitions, but let's be honest, there's only one We Grow Hair. Doing the research of, where I wanted to go for my hair transplant procedure, I looked, just like when you look at a restaurant, you look at reviews for all the places around town. And We Grow Hair, many 5-star reviews. I mean, they've got the most in the country, not just in Nashville, Tennessee, Middle Tennessee, whatever, in the country. I've watched enough episodes of Botched, and I've seen how it goes. I was actually watching one the other day where they showed a guy coming in from a hair transplant surgery, and he talked about how he went somewhere and nobody was certified in there, and he walked out with the back of his head looking like the Joker. The thing about here, there's board certified doctors here. So these are hair transplant surgeons, people that actually went to school for this stuff, not some guy that probably got something on the internet where he's like, hey, I could chop you up for $100, like he'll do that. Here they are certified, so there's nothing that you have to worry about. Go to wegrowhair.com and you could see plenty of before and after photos. I mean, plenty. You're gonna sit there and scroll. It's kind of like when you scroll through Instagram. They just do hair. That's what I wanted, just somebody that focused on hair. I didn't need my doctor saying, well, let's do Battle's hair here, and then I got Sarah coming in here for a breast augmentation in 30 minutes after his procedure. Here, it's just hair. So when you think about it, you want to go to the place that's been doing this for a while, and We Grow Hair has been doing this for nearly 30 years. Why would you want to go somewhere else that's been doing this for like 30 minutes, that sits there and they're like, hey, we do the same thing. Yeah, but you don't have the track record that We Grow Hair has. Nearly 30 years of experience. That's why you got to pick the best. That's why I chose We Grow Hair.